Hey guys, it's Cosplay Master, and today I've shown you that I make the Mello Mallet from Fortnite. It just came out for the World Cup series, so I decided to make a pretty fun build. Actually, it's pretty well made. And wow, I'm enjoying this build because it's actually pretty fun and it was pretty hard to make. Just saying, it was pretty fun. As you can see, I'm wearing the marshmallow helmet because it actually looks good with the mallets. So yeah, put the back up there, and let's get to the reviewing part for the mallet. As you can see, I put a cushion all around it because I think it will look better. And I'll just fix it right now so I can give it a nice circle shape. And this was a really hard to build. I gave a sneak peek on my building, I think like 2 days ago. I think I did it. I don't know, I have to check. So yeah, I only showed the review for the only the cardboard part, and I decided to tape it all around, give it a nice good touch. And the white part was a pretty it was really hard because I put that part and I still never get a chance to do the second part. Okay, the hard one right here is a pipe. Simple. You can get a pipe at Home Depot or any of your local hardware store just for $3, like a long pipe, but only for $3, and that's it. So this is the Mello mallets from Fortnite. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what else I should make, and I will make it. Challenges, give me challenges. DIY videos, I'll do DIY videos. Okay? I make it, you break it, you fix it, I do it, you make it. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what else I should make. Cosplay Master is out. The Mello Mallets.